Hello, welcome to the video. Today I think we're gonna be doing some sketchbook stuff. I have this little watercolor sketchbook here that I need to work on filling. It's been a while since I've sketchbooked. I had a lot of pet portrait paintings to do back around Mother's Day, and then since I kind of finished that batch, I haven't really painted like at all. I guess with the exception of my last video. I have a few ideas of what I want to do, but I think today I have this picture of a jaguar, hopefully it's going to appear somewhere on screen, that I really want to paint in my sketchbook, but I'm a little bit intimidated by it at the moment. So just because it's been a while, I lose my sketchbook confidence and my painting confidence so quickly. So we're gonna try to get that back. We're gonna try to do some little like easier warm-up paintings that probably will turn out bad. I don't know, we'll see, just to like get into the flow, and then we will tackle the jaguar painting. Okay, we're gonna start with the lion, I think, because I'm least intimidated by that one. I'm gonna use my Prismacolor Color Ice pencil to start with and just sketch this one out. Okay, here's my lion sketch. I'm now just gonna go over some parts of it in graphite, just to define some stuff a little bit more. Okay, here's where we're at so far. I've done kind of the base layer on the lion right there. So I think I'm gonna move now to the next page and do my next sketch while that layer dries. All right, we now have a sketch on this side. This should be dry, so let's finish this spread. I made the graphite lines on this cheetah way too aggressive, I think. But I don't mind it for sketchbooking because I think sometimes in my sketchbook I like the sketchy kind of like messy lines to show through. Obviously if I was trying to make this like a finished piece, I guess, I don't think I would do that, but I don't hate it for the sketchbook. So here are the two paintings. I have the lion and then the cheetah. I'm mostly okay with them. I like the lion. Again, they're pretty quick paintings, obviously by no means like a masterpiece. But yeah, I am happy with how these ones went. I don't really love the cheetah. I kind of wish that I had not done a purple background. I also feel like cheetahs are just hard to paint. Yeah, I guess let's tackle our last painting. Okay, so I am just about done with this painting. I just need to add a couple more little details, so I'll show you that right now. And I'm first gonna start by adding whiskers with one of these Jelly Roll pens. Let's do it. Does anybody else feel like Jelly Roll pens are just hit or miss? Like sometimes they work super well. Like right now, this one's doing pretty good, but I feel like I've had some that just like don't work at all. I don't know. It probably is a me problem, but I feel like this is a pattern that I've had with gel pens. Not even just this brand, like all gel pens, even ones that other artists kind of swear by. I'm like, I don't know if I swear by this. Okay, and with that, I think I'm gonna call the piece done. I ended up adding just a little more detailing to the wood and stuff around the jaguar, but here is my painting. This is my sketchbook page. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, considering I went into this with not a lot of confidence. So I'm pretty happy. I'm really glad that I decided to do some sketchbook work. Hopefully I finish the sketchbook soon and can do a sketchbook tour. That would be great. But yeah, hopefully be back soon with more sketchbook stuff.